All right, so this morning we're going to be working on an assignment called My Life in 30 Words. This is an icebreaker assignment for me, your teacher, to help to get to know you, and for your classmates to get to know you a little bit better as well. When you open the assignment, you're going to click File, and then you're going to make a copy. You're going to add your first name to the beginning of the title. Click OK. And now you have a copy that you can edit. If you go back to the home page of your Google Drive, you will notice that the assignment has appeared here. The next step is to add this into your 6J folder. Click and drag. Once it's in the folder, find it again, click one time, and click on the little paperclip at the top of your screen. This will create a link to create easy access to this assignment from your progress sheet. Remember, your progress sheet is the hub of your work in 6J. Copy the link, and then find your progress sheet. So right now your progress sheet looks like this. So we're going to add our official first assignment. We're going to write the date, the subject, the task, and then we're going to hyperlink. And what that means is take the link from the assignment and add it to the progress sheet. So again, look for that paperclip, click on the task, click on the paperclip, and Control-V, paste the link to your progress sheet. You'll notice that it's blue. If I hover my mouse over it, I see that the assignment is there.